Hello, good day. I hope you're fine, because today is another day to learn. I am your teacher in half, Miss Donna Martinada. Before we start our new lesson, let's have a brief review of our previous lesson. Okay, so what was our last topic? It's about nutritional problems of adolescents. What are the different types of eating disorder? We have anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa. Before we start, get your modules, pen, and find comfortable seat. Okay, before we start the discussion, I want you to observe the following pictures. So we have here 3 sets of pictures. In each set, choose which one is different. Okay, let's start with set number 1. Which among the picture is different? Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay, the answer is letter C. Why? Because as you can see in the picture A, B, and D are a clean room wherein all the things are in order, while picture C is a room with full of mess. Okay, next. So which is different from the rest? Is it picture A, picture B, C, or D? Okay, it's picture B. Why? Because picture B shows a person who is alone or sad, while picture A, C, and D is a picture that shows a happy person. Okay, let's take a look with the last set. Which among the 4 pictures is an odd? Is it A? Is it B, C, or D? Okay, it's letter D. Our topic for today is about understanding stress. At the end of the discussion, you are expected to differentiate eustress from distress. Let's start with the definition of stress. Stress is defined as the reaction of the body and mind to unkind or challenging events. For example, you unexpectedly failed in an exam, and then because of it, you weren't able to sleep. You just cried. That means you are in a state of stress. Or when you feel uneasy when terrible things happen, that means you are feeling stress. There are 2 types of stress. Those are eustress and distress. Eustress is defined as the positive reaction of body from a given stressor. It motivates you to continue working. For example, Harry is often labeled as the black sheep in their class. One day, his teacher chose him to become a part of the class officer. From then, he started to become a good student. Next is distress. Distress refers to the negative reaction of the body from a stressor. It is often associated with the word stress. Distress causes anxiety or concern. It decreases performance and can lead to mental and physical problems. For example, Alden's father goes home late and drunk. With that, he doesn't like his family anymore. He doesn't even want to stay at home. Okay, so those were the 2 different types of stress. Let's move on to our activity. Okay, in this activity, you have to refer to your learning activity sheet. So we have there eustress versus distress. So read and understand the 4 scenarios given. Answer the following questions. A. Which among the given scenarios showed eustress? From your answer in letter A, what response from the characters made you say situation caused him or her eustress? Letter C, which among the given scenarios showed distress? From your answer in letter C, what response from the characters made you say situation caused him or her distress? Okay, let's wrap it up. So when does stress becomes positive? Stress becomes positive when it has a positive reaction to the body. 2. When does stress becomes negative? It becomes negative when it has a negative reaction to the body. Therefore, eustress is the positive stress and distress is the negative stress. Now, I want you to reflect the following question. Number 1. What experiences in your life caused you eustress? What experiences in your life caused you distress? Okay, I want you to answer the assessment found in your module. Here it is. So I expect that you'll do good in your assessment. That would be all for today. I am your teacher in half, Miss Donna Martinada, saying aim high and hit the mark.